then when this chapter really ends, now God speaks to him. Now this is the part I love the most. Yani this is the part where now God anamwambia like, I don't owe you nothing. Mpaka anamdescribia, there's a thing called Leviathan. Sasa hiyo chapter 41 ndio utaiona Mungu akidescribe this monster that lives below the sea. Yani it is big. Iko na sijui mpaka anasema at the inaitwaje, mgongo yake imewekwa sijui na spears of what that are tightly bound that not even air can pass through it. It's heavy, it's like a rock. Its limbs mpaka inafika mahali unaona mpaka Mungu anasema ati I will not refuse to mention. Mpaka niko as in when you read mpaka kwa zile vibe ya funny God, are you like bragging here or what? But now you come to realize what this truly means is hakuna kitu yenye it is above God. Nitakwambia nini? Yani si ati maombi yako what I understood is maombi yako haitawahi shinda shetani. Like there's nothing, nitakwambia aje. Okay, si ati kushinda shetani, but like you can't kill the devil. That's what I'm trying to say. He created this world, he created the devil, he created everything in it. So there's nothing that you who is a human, mere human, yani utakuja kuona you are nothing. You are nothing. Actually, the fact that he gave his son to die for you, it is the biggest expression of love. Hata kama you have nothing else to thank him for, thank him for that. Yani kwa sababu God has absolutely nothing owing you. Yani vile amekuumba, hivyo vile amekuumba is perfect and his plan is perfect and he is, yani this yani mpaka anasema mwenye anasema niko na deni yake akuje. That is God. So just hang around.